All right, my Samsung users and possibly Android phone users, there's two settings that you might want to turn off if it's on to save yourself some battery life. It's called Wi-Fi scanning and also Bluetooth scanning. So to find these features here, I'll show you where to go to do this on your Samsung phone here, and you'll use the quick access, tap on the settings icon right there, that one right here. Then as you do that here, just use the search bar and type in the words Wi-Fi scanning. As long as you spell Wi-Fi correctly and the word scanning, you'll see the suggestion here show up for you. And they're both in the same place. So once you're here, it's part of the location services here, and you will see Wi-Fi scanning lets apps use Wi-Fi for accurate location detection, even when Wi-Fi is off. So that means if your Wi-Fi is off and your Bluetooth is off, this is going to be searching constantly. And that also means that's kind of going to give away yourself there on your phone. So you might want to turn these off and save yourself some battery life. Once you have your Wi-Fi turned on, you don't need to have this on. And once you're set with the Wi-Fi you are on, you are good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, if you learned something new today on your Samsung phone, like and sub.